guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions on this designer brand liquid lipsticks. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out what my first impressions on this 5 liquid lipsticks from designer brand, and if I can recommend them to you, that way you'll be able to save money, please keep on watching. Purchased these designer brand liquid lipsticks from TK Maxx. They were actually one of my products that I've actually shared with you guys when I did my TK Maxx reopening sale haul. If you guys haven't watched that yet, I will put the link down the description box below. These guys, so it's called the Platinum Liquid Lipstick Set. So it comes in 5 lipsticks. And I've actually purchased that for $6.95 from TK Maxx. It's fantasy. Make all your matte lip dreams come true. Pretty up your palette and add a beautiful matte finish to your lips with this set of velvet liquid lipsticks. Includes 5 highly pigmented liquid lipstick shades in a selection of shades. Vegan, not tested on animals, and they actually had 12 months to use this, guys. If you guys don't live in Australia, they actually do ship these overseas. Okay, the one I'm wearing right now, like a pinky shade. It didn't have any shade name, but that's a pinky shade, guys. Okay, so the formula is very light. So while I'm applying this on my lips, it's actually very lightweight formula. And it's also buildable. The second shade. So this is the second shade, guys. So this is more like a, it's got like an orangey brownish undertone. Okay, this is an orange shade, guys, like a coral shade. Okay, it's got a little bit of scent, a bit of sweet scent to it. Fourth shade. Only thing with the darker shades, when you try to reapply the shades again, I recommend it for you guys to let the lips dry first before you start reapplying again. In that way, it's actually leaving a balance the second application on the darker shades. So as you can see, it's all drying up to matte now, matte finish. So this one here, I actually did swatch this when I actually swatched the orange, the coral orange on my lips. It transfer, guys, but the liquid lipstick still there. So at the moment, my lips, it's really dry, and I can see it doesn't leave any patchiness on my lips. And I just see if it's transferable. Actually, I don't see anything. Definitely didn't, my liquid lipstick didn't actually move, so it's still there. But I feel a little bit of like stickiness, only a little bit of stickiness. It's not, this liquid lipsticks recommended for you guys to try them. Still worth to buy, guys, because it's very affordable. I'm actually very happy with the results, and you know, all my first impressions and review on any products that I've actually provide you guys, they're all my honest opinions, if they're actually working for me and if I like it. There you have it, guys. I hope I've actually did help you out today. Please let me know what video you want to watch next by leaving a comment down below, or if you've tried any of these designer brand liquid lipsticks. I would love to hear from you guys, and let me know what you guys think. So much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.